So I have this tree, it's overgrown. Look, the branch all over this tree to get really big fast. Um, Look how tall that is. There, we call a company out to estimate to remove this tree. It's $1,200 to $1,300. And to trim it down is $650 just to trim the branch. So I just went out and buy the tool and see if I can do it myself. I think save us money, just do it yourself. So I got the tool. So here's the tool called Portland Electric Pole Saw. It can extend up to 9.5 and up to 15 feet. Stand on the ground. It's electric cord. So you can cut the branch down standing on the ground, and hopefully maybe this can help the problem we have with the tree. And this costs about only I think $64 at Harbor Freight to cut down the tree, and let's see what will happen. Okay. So after I open this, you gotta put together. They say come with a blade and the chain. So then you gotta open this to put together, and let's see how this is gonna work. So I guess the blade, the saw chain is gonna go around here. This is just the cover, and then you got this wrench to open this to connect everything together. And here's the change. So this is how this works. You add this blade on the side, and then you just loosen this out. This cover open up. So then you attach the blade in here, and that should work. And then you add oil on here. It said oil, good quality bar and chain oil. So the trick to put this on is make sure you have this word up, and then you make sure this chain is matched with this picture right here. See how this look like each other? That like this. They have to match, so that way this chain can go around the right direction. And then the other trick is to loosen up the tension right here, which is this right here. And then when you tighten it, you hold this with your finger, and then you tighten it with the screw that the wrench come with it. And now it's tight. And then you can just put the cover on like this. So once that's tight, make sure it's tight, and then you just add oil to here. Like that, and then you can use it. Actually, this is the right oil for the change, barn and chain oil, not the oil for car. So I have to correct that because this is the right oil for the change to lubricate. Try this out. Like the safety glass. Make sure you have safety glass. That's the saw chain here. They fall on the stuff, so they cut slowly. That's why you need safety glass, because all this wood should come out. See? So far, cut this much. What do you think so far?
So far, so good.
Okay, another one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a big one. So instead of pay somebody $650 to trim it, you can just buy this tool and trim it yourself. Altogether about $80 with the oil and everything. $70, $80. And then over here, you get higher, you have to climb up the ladder to trim it. The only bad thing about this cord, you have to pull it. Yeah, that's big one. Okay, anything else? That good?
Yeah.
So I got this much chopped down. As you can see, it's a lot better than before. But on the top, I have to climb up there to chop down from the top. It's looking better now, see? Not as bad.